Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and today we are going to be unboxing and installing a new screen protector on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This one was provided to me by the company Smart Devil. They sent this product over for me to do a review, so I'm a big fan of tempered glass on my iPhone and regularly have to replace one. My phone actually needs a replacement right now, so I'm very excited to replace mine and see what this is all about. Smart Devil actually sells their products on Amazon, and right now this 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors sells for $18.99, so it's really a great deal, especially if you're someone like me who frequently drops their phone and cracks the tempered glass and has to replace it multiple times a year. They sell a ton of different tempered glass products, so definitely check out their store and check out this product. I'll include links to both in the description below if you're interested in this or any of their other products. But now let's get into the unboxing to see what comes in the package and then get this on the phone. So in the box, first of all, we have this cute package that has the screen protector and instructions in it. We have a film installation toolkit, 3 of those for each one of your installs. And then we have what looks like the alignment bracket, which you will use to install your screen protectors. That is all that is in the box. So let's check out the screen protector first. So this actually has 2 of your screen protectors in it with your directions. The third one is pre-mounted inside of the bracket. Let's check out the film tool installation kit. So here you have a microfiber to clean your phone screen off before install. You have a dusting sticker, and you have a cleaning wipe. One kind of cool feature is each one of these items has a number on it to tell you what order to do this in. So first you'll use the cleaning wipe, second you'll use the microfiber, and third you'll use the dusting sticker. From there you can follow the instructions on the bracket to install this. So let's go ahead and start this process on my phone. So in doing an install such as this, I always like to power my phone down so I can make sure that the screen is adhering appropriately. Once that's done, first thing I have to do is take my case off. With that removed, I can go through these steps to clean off the phone. So step 1 is to use a cleaning wipe to clean off the surface. Step 2 is to dry the phone surface with the microfiber. And the final step is to use the dust sticker to remove any particles. Now the interesting thing about this bracket installation is that you are supposed to simply press this onto the phone and then pull out the screen once this is in place. In the past, I've taken the back off and then pressed it onto the phone and rub it into place, but according to the directions, you just put this on the phone and then pull this tab here to remove the undercover. So let's see how that works. First, we get the bracket nice and aligned, and then we pull this tab to remove the undercover so that the adhesive is exposed. And then from here, you can see the screen is adhering on its own. The directions do say to give it at least 10 seconds for this process to occur, so we'll probably speed this up so that you can see the whole process and aren't sitting here waiting. Yeah, and just like that, it's all done. So the final step here is to peel off this top piece, which will disconnect the screen from the bracket and allow us to take a look at how this all turned out. And wow, that is really incredible that it did that all on its own. In the past, I'm used to screens that you have to rub to get into place. And when you do that, you typically get a lot of bubbles underneath it. We did get a tiny bit of bubbling at the bottom here, but I'm literally able to push these few ones out just by running my fingers along the screen to finalize the install, which is awesome. This is probably the best a screen has looked installed on my phone in all the times that I've done a tempered glass install. Looking at it, it is cut extremely well. It goes all the way to the edge of the bezel and it looks fantastic. I'm very excited to have this. It is supposed to be an incredibly tough design, so maybe we'll do some drop tests in the future. But for now, I just wanted to review the install process and the incredibly unique and innovative design that Smart Devil has come up with. I've installed a ton of tempered glass in my time and never have I had such an easy process, and it really is unique compared to those other installs, so I highly recommend it. You also can't beat the price right now at $18.99 for a 3-pack, so if you're looking for some new tempered glass for your iPhone or for whatever device you have, definitely check out Smart Devil. I'll include a link in the description below. They're well worth the money and a great product. Thank you again, Smart Devil, for providing this product and sponsoring the video. But yeah, that's all I had to talk about today. If you did like this content and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.